Hey guys, Clyde here from Pixel Pro Display. Sun's out. I'm doing some yard maintenance and I found a prop here that is having some issues. It's got a little flickery flicker right there, and we're gonna go show you how to fix this. So hold on.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap outputs and check and see if I have a bad string of pixels or a bad pixel, or if it's a bad output. And to do this, I'm going to take a known working good output and plug it into the pixels that aren't working. In this case, they do work. I give you the thumbs up. I swap them back, and then let's go check exactly what's causing the issue.
So now let's go over here to the receiver that this is plugged into, because that's important to understand that this is a receiver that we're looking at. And here's the receiver, and here is my port number 2. And everything's working, and the other output works just fine. But what you have to do is, since we know that port number 3 works fine when it's plugged into the second, we know there's a data connection issue. And so I'm wondering, is this data cable bad, or is this data cable bad? Well, what we'll do is we're going to bypass the pass-through, take this out, and then we're going to remove the one inside the box here. There we go. We'll bypass this, and we'll plug directly in to the receiver board. There we go. So we now have a clean connection into the receiver from our incoming network cable, which goes over there to our controller. So let's go over and see if that fixed our problem. Yep. Looks like the bars are going diagonally across it, and it should go up here in a second. But everything looks like it's working as it should. There's the bars up and the diagonal. We're in good shape. We fixed the problem, but we didn't fix the problem. We need to really fix the problem. The problem is this pass-through. And so now what I need to do is I need to get down there, remove that pass-through, put a good pass-through in there, and then we should be good to go. So the pass-through was actually our problem. However, if the pass-through wasn't the problem and we still had the jiggly pixels over there, I call those jiggly pixels. If we'd had those jiggly pixels again, then it's that blue network cable, you know, that one that goes between the two. So that one right there would need replaced because that cable might be bad. All right, guys, I hope this quick little tip helped you with a little bit of troubleshooting. The first thing you should always do when you troubleshoot a bad string, first disconnect one and disconnect another and swap the two cables. If it works just fine, and especially if it's on a receiver that runs with a network cable, then that's probably your problem, is the network cable or a network connection somewhere along that line. All right, guys, have a Merry Christmas. Thanks for joining me, and catch you soon. Take care and bye for now.